Let's make Christmas tree for this Christmas dinner. This Christmas tree is delicious and easy to make. Follow my channel and save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime you like in the future. This Christmas tree is made by mashed potatoes and broccoli. Potatoes are nutritious and an anti-aging food. People who eat potatoes regularly are healthy and age slowly. Cherry tomatoes and potatoes. Bell peppers. Broccoli. Peel potatoes and set aside. Potatoes into same equal size. Add potatoes into pot. Water level to cover potatoes. One teaspoon salt. Cut broccoli with knife into florets. Washed broccoli into steam plate and to cook together with potatoes. Cut cherry tomatoes into 4 sections. Middle parts pour into one bowl. Both sides part pour into another bowl. Cubes bell peppers. Melt garlic butter with microwave. Pour out steamed broccoli and set aside. Poke potatoes with chopstick if it is non-stick means it's cooked. Drain potatoes. Secret weapon is to use sieve and buffalo skimmer to mash potatoes cubes. This is easiest method I've tried. Mashed potatoes. Texture is fine and silky smooth. Use spoon to scoop mashed potatoes on sieves. Melted butter. Sprinkle basil herbs. Sprinkle green pepper. One teaspoon chicken powder or chicken broth. Mix evenly. the smooth texture of mashed potatoes. Prepare food wrap. Place mashed potatoes at the middle. Wrap up the mashed potatoes and press gently with your hands into a standing triangle Christmas tree shape. The bottom should be wider. Deco with broccoli. You may trim broccoli stem with scissors to triangle shape to enable to stick into mashed potatoes. Deco with cherry potatoes and bell peppers. Strung cherry tomatoes as tutorial to use as Christmas tree topper. Sprinkle chopped bell pepper on side of Christmas tree. Deco with cherry tomatoes. Places sides of cherry tomatoes between both cherry tomato slices. Beautiful mashed potatoes Christmas tree is completed. The method is very simple but requires patience. It can also be done with your family, which is very meaningful. The Christmas tree I made is stand still even until late night, and the mashed potatoes are not dry and are still delicious. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday to you.